Hi! In front of me is VIVO X90 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this VIVO device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate icon. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now white. That means that auto rotation is disabled. In order to enable it, click on the same shortcut again. You can also just go into Devices Settings instead. Scroll down just a bit and tap on Display and Brightness. Then click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!